In this video, we're gonna learn how to recover your account over on Instagram if it's been disabled or suspended. There is a way you can appeal against the decision and ask for the review by filling out a form that is available on the Instagram Help Center. So for that, what you need to do, you have to require a desktop version, and over there you have to go to any of the browser, and then you have to search for help.instagram.com. Alright, so once you're in the help center of Instagram, what you're gonna do now, you have to go and search for search help articles. Just type suspended account and here you will find, and then go and click on disable Instagram account right there. Once you're there, now scroll down here, you will find was this helpful right here. So just select no and click on other. Now you have to mention the problem. Either you can mention your problem in your own words or you can copy it from here, it doesn't matter. And after that, you have to go and type the username along with the email address and then submit the request. And as soon as you submit the request, Instagram will notify you through your email address, and most probably within 24 hours your account will be recovered. So this is the only way you can recover your suspended Instagram account. So all for today's video guys, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.